Uh,
Hi,
hi, my name is Sveta,
hi
and
Sweta.
I made one web page using HTML and CSS.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have an image in your web page?
I have one image.
Where is it? Can you show me where it is exactly? Okay, it's over there. Good job. Show me a CSS script. How does that look?
Sure,
All right, good. Now, can you open the web page for me, Sweta?
did that open?
Yes. Okay, cool. So that's how your web page look like. Great. Thank you, Sweta, for submitting your competition project. I'm gonna send this for the review, and yeah, great work.